Hi, Professor. This is Amarjit. Today, I'll discuss about week 7 career assignment. First part will be introduction. In order to effectively apply the fundamental ideas, technique, and strategies taught in this accounting and economic program to our desired career and industry pathway, we will discuss them and provide example in the task at hand. We will demonstrate our capacity to translate theoretical knowledge into practical ideas that foster both individual development and organization success by creating connections between theory and practices. By using this method, we hope to become more knowledgeable about accounting and finance concept and establish ourselves as useful resource and strategy thinker within a particular field of expertise. During the assessment, student may use key concept and ideas from the accounting and finance disciplines to a field of interest or organization they have worked for. This is one way that they could consider it. The important concept and information from the field of accounting and finance to their perspective company sector and area of interest. These are basically divided in six parts. The first part will be assessment of accounting record, volume, cost profit evaluation, guidelines for all accounting investment, planning and budgeting for finance resources, evaluation of risk, finance option for businesses. Now we will elaborate each of them briefly. Assessment of accounting records. By looking over financial statement, identifying strength, weakness, opportunity, and risk through comparison technique, ratio calculation, and trend analysis, learner can assess the effectiveness and financial health of an organization. Second will be volume cost profit evaluation. To evaluate business earning, expenses, and sales fluctuations, participants examine cost volume profit studies. Based on this analysis, they make well-informed decisions regarding cost reduction, product combination, and pricing strategies. Now, guideline for allocating investment. Investment budgeting is a tool that people can use to elevate investment opportunities in their industry or company. It takes into account various factors such as risk, potential reward, recovery time, IRR, NPV, and feasibility. Planning and budgeting for financial resource through financial projection, modeling, financial management, and scenario analysis. Academics help business forecast their economic success and need for resources, which help within resource allocation and decision making. Evaluation of risk. In order to reduce risk, participant can identify and assess the financial, operational, and economic risk that exist within a business or industry. This allows them to create risk management strategies and policies. Finance options for business. In order to comprehend how different finance strategies affect company success, value creation, and economic health, participant examine acquisition, dividend policies, and capital system rationalization. Close relationship that highlight particular concept and ideas from this course. Through my studies, I thoroughly examine a number of financial statement evaluation related topic, giving proportion and trend interpretation special attention. We were deeply moved by the idea of using financial data to elevate a company's liquidity, revenue, bankruptcy, and productivity. Using the knowledge I had gained during my studies, I thoroughly examined our financial record, produced a variety of liquidity ratio, and compared them to industry standard. Using this method, I was able to conclude that we were generally still in a very good liquidity position because our cash reserves were increasing significantly, even though we were aware that our current financial obligations were increasing as a result of our intentional saving. In my previous work experience, I used this concept to continuously assess the organization's financial health. For example, I mentioned in the most recent finance health assessment that our present day ratio has been gradually declining over last few quarters. This prom- this prompts this prompted me to look into it further and look for any potential expansion explanation in the trend. which could include a general decline in liquid assets or a short-term increase in obligation. Now, we will discuss the wide range of industry use accounting and finance skill. These are also basically divided into six part: public accounting, the government and non-profit institution, bank and financial institution, insurance sector, financial regulation, and finance for businesses. Now also we will discuss them thoroughly. First will be public accounting. Public accounting firms support business through inspection, tax advisory, and product recommendation. They also use financial knowledge to guarantee regulatory compliance, assess the state of the economy, support business expansion prospects, and offer economic advice. Another one, the second, government and non-profit institution. In order to manage finances, maintain transparency, and guarantee adherence to distribution analysis, and spending plans. Financial and accounting specialists are essential in both the public and non-profit sectors. Bank and financial institution for the purpose of making decision, evaluating risk, and adhering regulations in financial transactions such as deposits, loan, and investment. Financial and economic expertise is essential. Insurance sector, economic economist, accounting firm, and finance analyst evaluate insurance holdings. Healthcare businesses rely on accounting and financing expert for law approval, complaint management, risk estimation, and financial stability. Financial regulation. Employees responsible for investment oversight use their expertise in finance and accounting to analyze opportunities, monitor portfolio, conduct market research, make well-informed decision, take inventory, run finance analysis, and gauge the health of long-term resources. Finance for businesses. Professionals in business finance oversees cash, investment, prospective clients, finance data, and the organization's financial structure, all of which are essential for efficient cash management and managerial choice. Now we will discuss the conclusion by compressing their opinion on those fundamental ideas, strategies, and tactics. People can demonstrate their understanding of banking and economic concept and how they apply to real-time situation relevant to their future career, company interactions, or industrial objectives. Additionally, they could demonstrate their capacity to assess financial data, make informed recommendation, and support the long-term growth and viability of the companies they found. They founded few examples of field where knowledge of finance and accounting is required. In actuality, those ability are useful in in practically every industry due to their universal significance in cash management, decision making, and guaranteeing the stability and security of an organization's finance. Thank you. That's all from my side. Thank you, Professor.